like I said, you may want to vote quick because this is a nail biter. I'm joking. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and want to give you guys an update on, I'm going to cut this. I usually post these polls on Wednesday, but we're going to cut this one off on Monday, and it's a real close one. So I think everybody gets the question. So I've done and bounced around and done series, and so you guys don't get bored or overloaded or overwhelmed, but it's becoming a resounding yes. So we will more than likely, unless a lot of voting happens over the weekend, we will be beginning a series and seeing it to the end. And maybe we can put some projects in there, because I do have an idea of one finishing out some tkinter stuff that we have not done. And also, I want to let everybody know that chapter 1 of the book is almost done. So we have some Patreon activity. So I want to remind everybody, because overwhelming amount of you are new to Python. So this book is written from somebody with 0 programming experience and 0 Python experience, and actually even more in-depth on the book. And then there are going to be videos that are just going to be on Patreon tied to each lesson, each section. So, but like I said, you may want to vote quick because this is a nail biter. I'm joking. So it looks like we're going to be finishing these out. So that is an overwhelming, and like I've said, this is your channel. So just want to make you guys aware of where we are in the book. My wife is graciously helping me with the editing, because that is painstaking, because I cannot spell or write. So this has been an adventure. So I just want to tell you guys thank you. You guys are very encouraging, and I'm probably going to start packaging these for some Udemy classes as well. So just be thinking about that. Keep all these ideas in the back of your head, and if you have some ideas, kick them out and I'll look at them. So as always, guys, thanks for everything. Thanks for watching. Thank you for all your time. Thank you for spending your very precious time here with us. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.